Now, I encourage you to go to your parents' bedroom and be like, hey, I need y'all to grab onto something. Do like the tornado drill where you'll lay in the bathtub and put your mattress over your body. I'm praying for everyone. We got this. I'm dead already. My family's gonna die. All right, freedom things. Here we go. Atlantis has resurfaced. What do you mean, buddy? California just floated away. 1,000 people dead in New York. My legs are broken. And my mom just typed in the chat and said my glasses fell off my face. Yo, ban my mom. My mom fell out of her casket. Yo, I'm pretty sure you're canceled for that. My character got knocked in Fortnite. Dude,